What's up everybody, my name's John and I'm going to be giving you guys another rundown on how I save money shipping my products on Amazon and eBay. I've been selling online for about 4 years now and I've shipped out many different sized products, but I found that with small and medium sized products I was able to create a custom sized box to save money and never pay for a box again. A quick note is that I do get all my cardboard for free, and I will put a video link in the description below showing you how you can do the same. In another video, I showed you guys how to ship a more durable product with the sandwich method, but here in this video, I'm going to show you how to box something as delicate as a Funko Pop. For those of you who don't know, just about every Funko Pop buyer expects the box that displays the Funko's name to come in pristine condition. And this goes for just about any collectible you may sell, unless the damage is stated in the product's listing like the photos or the description. Now that that's out of the way, I have a Jose Altuve Funko Pop that I will be shipping out with a custom box, so enjoy. The materials to start off are pretty simple. You need some bubble wrap, any pair of scissors will do, and some tape. We're going to go ahead and place the Funko right in and wrap it once. And remember to never put tape on the actual box of a collectible because it could damage it. The cheapest place I've been getting my bubble wrap is at a local Walmart for about $5.50 for a 30-foot roll. And I just thought I'd let you know, but if you guys know anywhere I can get it cheaper, please let me know in the comment section below. I'd greatly appreciate it. Okay, I just finished up wrapping the top here, making sure it goes all the way around, and you can repeat this process again to double wrap it so you're able to get more protection when shipping. Instead, I'm going to reuse some packing supplies that I got in another shipment to substitute for that method and save some money. I'll only be using one piece of tape for each of these here because I'm going to be wrapping this around itself with a little bit of tension, and then placing the tape right here. You're going to do the same for the horizontal side. Place the tape, and there you go. Here's where the cardboard comes in. I like this Amazon box here because the material is very light and sturdy. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and cut a piece out of the cardboard and line my product up with it. Make sure there is enough wiggle room here on the sides and try to be even when you're doing this because you'll be doing it for the other exact side. Now that we got one side cut out, we're going to go ahead and make an identical one here by doing this. Now we're going to make a little sandwich and then hold it down with some tape. Make sure this thing is a little snug, not too much, just snug enough. Okay, now that that's done, we're going to go ahead and get the smaller sides cut out for this custom box. So it turns out that this piece of cardboard here that I'm using is pretty symmetrical, and I didn't have to use that method where I traced over the first cutout. So now we're going to need a piece of tape about 1 inch longer on each of the sides here so that we're able to push it in and secure it. So when we're doing this, we want this piece of cardboard that we just placed in between the sandwich, not on the outside. So we're going to clean that up here. Make sure you cut it just a little bigger so that you're able to squeeze those edges under the first cardboard that we placed. So now we're getting another tape here for the other side of it, and we're getting those edges pushed under the sandwich again and pushing that tape in. Now, due to the tape that connects the sandwich pieces together, you won't be able to get the smaller pieces all the way under the sandwich, but getting those edges in is very important. So now that we cleaned it up and lined it up here, we're going to go ahead and do the same as the other side and get that tape about 1 inch longer on each side so that we're able to push it under. Here I did not do that. I only got one side 1 inch over, and I'm going to have to get some tape and do that other side here. Alright, now to clean up the edge, you always want cardboard that is a little bigger, never a little smaller. So here we go, I'm going to have to cut this piece off here. And it's just a bit bigger to where I squeeze those edges in and it's snug. Alright, now all we need to do is just place this one tape here and then we're on to the next step. Alright, now we need to cut out 2 more pieces of cardboard and I'm going to use this piece right here. It's going to need an adjustment. It's a little big, so what we're going to have to do is tack it on with a little tape right here on the edge so it stays. And then now we can cut. Be sure to stretch this piece in a little bit and also this one once we clean it up here. Here at this point in time of creating a custom box, we aren't going for looks. We're going for more of functionality and box shape, and I'll show you why here later. Alright, now that we have one side placed in, I want you to notice how I have an indentation here a little bit inward, and it creates strength on the edge of the sandwich pieces that were first put in, and now we just need to do the other side. I ended up needing a little bit more cardboard material, so I went ahead and cut some out here. Okay, so what I'm doing here is going to get a little bit of tape so I can tack it on the corner so I'm able to hold the cardboard in place while I get some cut measurements. Okay, remember when we cut, we always cut a little bigger and never a little smaller. So I'm making my first initial right here and then finishing it off. While I'm finishing this up, I just wanted to go over a little bit of why I do this. The main reason I create my own box and use the sandwich method for packing my products is because when a customer orders multiple products from me, I want them all to go in one box and me not have a hassle of finding that box or paying for more shipping by buying more boxes to box those items. Okay, now back to the box here. This is a pretty important tape piece right here. The purpose of this tape is to increase the strength of the box by clamping the outer cardboard pieces to the inner. And now you'll be doing the same for the other side. Okay, now we're left with a very sturdy box. We still have a couple things more to do. And now for the star of the show, the black shrink wrap. This is going to hide all our imperfections that we had on this box. Okay, we're going to start by pushing it over the back now and wrapping twice. Alright, so we'll cut it right here and then push in the ends here, and since this shrink wrap is self-adhesive, it'll stick to itself pretty decently. We're going to make sure these loose ends don't come out in transit by placing some tape here, and we're going to do this on both sides. Alright, all we need to do now is place a label and we are done. I use a Rollo printer for all my label needs, and I'll have a link in the description for that product below and all the other supplies I used in this video. I've shipped out many double and triple Funko Pop orders, all packed within the same custom box, and I have yet to get on the bad side of any collector. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and if this video helped you in any way, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out, and if you want to see more videos like this one, please subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one.